Where's your hiccup?
It went away.
Did it go away?
Connor.
No more hiccups?
Connor. Connor. Come on, dimple
Oh,
face.
there it is. Came back. Oop,
You want to show us your dimple?
hiccup.
Oh.
Hick, spick, sprout. Keep the hick and yow. Dutch. Say it. Mm-hmm. Okay.
He's so awake right now.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Very alert. Just looking around, looking around.
Oh, yesterday this time he was knocked out. The whole day, right?